Okay, this is a second video on your assignment guidance for assignment number 2. Here it says your essay should construct an argument that makes a case of an iterative approach to product design, material selection, and manufacturing process. Obviously, the word count is 2000 word. So the total word count, if I write it down here, is only 2000 word count plus minus 10%. If you go over the word count by 100, the 10% of the marks will be deducted. Or if the word count is below 1800, the 10% of the word count will be deducted. If you're using any pictures, illustrations, graphs that are not a part of the word count, tables, it doesn't count as a word count. The headings doesn't count as a word count. So the Microsoft Office will give you the word count of the essay, and I will show you how you have to lay your assignment as well. Okay, now for the iterative approach, you need to think about how you can make the process better. You need to present an argument why someone is going to buy your product, even though it's expensive, even though it's not as good as the real product. Why people will buy it, how you can incentivize, and that kind of thing. And after that, maybe in 2000 words, you cannot finish the whole assignment because it's just 2000 words, or 2200, the upper bound is 2200. So in the end, make sure you write down the conclusion, make sure you write down the future recommendation. So future recommendation, conclusion, and all that bit. So make sure you write this one down. And that, what it will do is it will actually, someone else doing the same project, he can read and he can say, okay, I can start from there because the person has given me some future recommendation, and some areas where he got stuck, some limitations, and so on. Yep. Okay. um, okay, now here's a link for the material selection charts. If you type material selection chart, it comes up. Now there are multiple type of material selection charts. So this one is typical on cost and strength. It's an interactive chart, so you can click on glass and it can tell you different types, composite different types based on the strength. It becomes expensive, strength increase, and so on. Try to incorporate these in your assignments and so on. So for your assignment, you have to use Arial. '11, maybe 12, but not more than that, size 11. Yeah. Okay. When you lay out your assignment, I will upload another video on how to lay out your assignment, how to do a Harvard referencing style. So I will upload a video on a referencing style. Um, there is a book known as Cite Them Right. You can use that book to learn how to do the referencing, but I will make a tiny video and I will upload that one for you so you can reference, and this is how your assignment should be laid out. Yep. Any other questions? Anyone?